Hello everyone and welcome back to DEP TV. It is a really windy, blustery day of the day, but we're cracking on. We're getting a lot of building work done at the moment, so please excuse the mess. Getting a new bathroom put in, which is one of the reasons why I decided to get this done. This is an outside tap, which many people have, but difference being that it's a hot tap. So why go for a hot tap outside? Well, there is a multitude of benefits with it. One of the main benefits is it's outside. I don't have to take buckets like this in through the house and back out again. It's all done outside. There is no issue with that. So that's one of the main reasons why I have a hot tap outside. The other reason that I've put a hot tap outside is I can attach the hose to this, so I can get warm water when I'm out actually washing a vehicle outside the house here, so there's no chance of me getting my hands cold again. Very simple to do. I would always recommend getting a plumber to plumb it in, but it is very easy to do if you wanted to do it yourself, as long as you've got a little bit of experience, a little bit of DIY. It was a lot easier for us because we're getting the bathroom done, and all the pipes were exposed in the house, so that wasn't really an issue. So this goes from the inside. It's on a push fitting, a 15mm push fitting, with the PVC pipe, which joins inside on a T junction. It then comes outside to here. So again, you've got a 90-degree bend, which is just 15mm push fit, which then goes all the way up to the tap. It's just so that the tap is at a decent height, so I can get my bucket underneath, which is there, fits underneath quite the thing with loads of space still to go, so there's no issue there. The only thing I will need to do is in the winter, it will need to be covered so that it doesn't freeze, because it is going to be warm water that's in it, or even hot water, because it basically comes straight off the boiler. So guys, do any of you have hot taps outside? I'm not talking the commercial guys, because you probably will have hot taps just because it's a commercial setting. But does anybody have hot taps outside at home? By the way, just another little quick one for you. Paddling pools in the summer, hot tubs, fill it up from there. That way there's no issues getting things warm up a little bit quicker. Especially with paddling pools for the kids, they don't want ice cold water in it as soon as they jump in, so a little bit of warm water can be handy. And it saves trailing things through the back door, having the doors open for hours on end while I'm filling a hot tub. Don't need to, just run it straight off this tap in here. So yeah, if any of you guys have got hot taps outside, please let me know in the comments below how you found it, because this is the first time I've had a hot tap outside. It'd be nice to see what your kind of views on it are, if you've had it for a few years now, if you've had any issues with burst pipes, stuff like that, let me know. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. But this has just been a very quick short video just to show you that I've got the hot tap outside now, and if anybody else has one, please let me know how you get on with it. But you know the drill guys, it's time to go.